Welcome to Papa Junk Shop. Well, grandson Aaron, he likes space. It's 24/7 space telescopes. So we're going to build an observatory. So this is the spot we picked. It's going to be on skids. It will have a post concreted in the ground. It's going to be a sliding roof building, and this is the spot we picked. I got one block started in the ground just to get an idea. So it'll be 8 by 16, I think, is what we planned. And this is the view from up here. So we got pretty nice shot of everything around. So as we make some progress, I'll keep you filled in. Okay, we're making some progress on the building. We got some donations. Aaron's dad had this door, which somebody gave him. It's a steel door, and the side with the hinges was all that was left. I had to make the rest of the framework, so I got that all replaced with a new sill on the bottom. And we got 4 sheets of plywood, which have been stored outside there a little damp, so we got them drying. We're going to go up on the hill and show you what we got done up there. Hey, Aaron's hauling the generator up that we're going to use for running the saw and stuff. It's made in February 1947. It's a Winco. Chose this one because I haven't really used it very much for anything useful other than to take it to engine shows. So that's going to be our power source up here for now. Here's kind of a mock-up. We got the blocks all pretty much where they're going to be and in place, but they're not shimmed yet. They're level, but probably each one of them is going to have a custom shim in it. They're pretty darn close, but I want to get her just right. And we just add a couple of 2x6s on there to get an idea what she's going to look like. And the rest of our supplies are over here. So we got to get out and get a wagon load of saws and nails and all that good stuff, levels and squares, and we're going to get started on her. See you in a bit. Okay, we got about 4 hours worth of work getting her leveled up and the floor joist in place. It's all squared up and where it needs to be setting. Got to get the loose dirt back in around the bottom of the blocks now that we're sure they're in the right spot. And get some flooring on it, I guess. So keep you updated, we'll get more progress. Okay, yesterday we got the plywood, 2 coats of floor enamel on them. Got 3 of them nailed down onto the floor joist, and I got the spot located where the post is going to go, the hole dug, and of course it come right where there was a beam, so need to make a provision for that. Got the piece cut out, but I don't have these 2 pieces put in here yet because it just was easier working without them in there. And the hole is dug as deep as I could get it. I think it's a little over 3 feet, and I got one of those digging bars and it just bounces in the bottom when you slam it in there, so we're right down the rock, so I think we're going to be good that way. I'm not even going to put any concrete in it. The 5-inch casing that I'm going to use has steel plate on the bottom of it, so that should give it enough surface to sit right on that rock and not bother. And I'm not going to put concrete around it because I've had bad experience putting concrete around posts. It tends to, if the frost gets it, it gives us something to grip and lift up. So over the last 20 years, all the things, the posts I've put in, I put concrete in the bottom sometimes, so it has a good solid footing on the bottom. But I don't put anything around it because of that. It'll float it up out of there, and all my posts have stayed put. So that's the method I'm going to use here. Seems to work. So gonna go get that post prepped and see if we can get it in the hole. Okay, we're working on the post. Got it cut to length, and I got a piece of 1/4 inch plate. Matter of fact, I got 2 of them. One that's going to bolt onto that. Drilled, and we got it centered on the turntable so we can weld that onto the end of the pipe. So that's where we're at this point. So we're going to get that done, and then I think we can put this pipe in place. Okay, the turntable did a good job. Got a pretty nice bead around there. 5/32 rod, 140 amps. 6011, I think it was. So I think we can go get this post in the ground now. I think we'll paint it after it's in the ground, not before. Okay, we made pretty good progress today. Hope you can hear me with all this wind. When we wanted the wind when it was so hot, of course it wasn't blowing. Now that the day's over, the wind's blowing. So we got the post made and installed, and it's like part of the earth, man. It does not even twitch. Open the hole up there. There's the pole, and we'll customize that board when we figure out the heights for the next piece that goes on there. And we got this piece of deck all nailed in, and we got 3 walls built. Front walls there, the 2 side walls are laying here. So we made pretty good progress. We got to make the back wall, which will have the door in it. So that'll be a little more complicated than these. Other than that, I guess that's about it. But that's a pretty good day's work, at least for us amateurs it is. So see you tomorrow if the weather allows us.